Hi guys, this is a new video about the TikTok application, and right now we will show you how to find the most popular lives which are in the top in the TikTok area. So let's go to this application TikTok, and let's tap on the discover feature you can find at the bottom bar of the screen. Later, let's pick on the search option and set the live, using the keyboard of course. So let's pick on this option live and write set. Amazing, as you can see here at the top section, not users, not videos, but the top one, we can find out all of the most popular lives which are current right now. So don't forget about the see more option. After picking on which, you can get access to all of the top lives you can smoothly check. So let's click on one of them. I will tap on the first one as an example, and yes, I can smoothly add this live to this live and to start this watching. So guys, if you like this video and if this shooting was needful and interesting, so we hope that right now you know how to get access to the lives. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Goodbye!